Hi guys, how are you? Hope everybody's doing well this week. Got a new sample item. What did we get? I don't know. Oh, it says it's fragile. Don't break. Okay, let's see. What's going on? What did I get? Really, seriously, what did I get? Wait. Hold up. Wait, what? Wait. What is this? I'm serious. Sometimes I know what's happening, but I don't know. What did I get, you guys? Multi-collagen protein. You guys, do you know that this collagen is good for skin, for gut, for nails, hair, and joints? Yeah, it is. And it's, oh my God, okay, hold on. I am shook. I am absolutely shook. The nice people at Ancient Nutrition, you guys, they didn't send me one. They didn't send me two. You must think I need a lot of collagen. 3, 4, 5, 6 containers of multi-collagen protein. It's clinically proven to promote healthy skin, hair, joints, and digestion. I mean, I'll be putting this in everything, by the way. Usually I drink tons of water, so you can put it in water. You can put it in coffee. Did you know you can put it in smoothies? I didn't know that. Huh. And there's recipes. Who knew? I don't know. But let's see what's going on in this bag. Mix. Okay, so this is collagen protein. It's called multi-collagen protein by Ancient Nutrition. Let's check it out. The great thing about collagen protein is that it's not just good for everything, it's also protein, which means that you're gonna have better energy and sustainability when you are looking for motivation, but also hair, skin, nails, gut, joints, and hair. I already said hair. Anyway, okay, so the great thing about this is when you look inside, it's just regular old powder. But is it really regular powder? You can put it in everything, in anything. So it's just white powder and it dissolves. You can put it in anything. So I guess I'll put it in water today. Let me see. Today I'm gonna put the multi-collagen protein from Ancient Nutrition. I'm gonna put it just in plain old water. I drink a lot of water, as you know, but you can also put it in smoothies. I didn't know that. You can also put it in pretty much anything. Take it, put it in whatever you want to put it in, and so you guys, you can put collagen pretty much in anything. And today I'm going to be using a flavored water. So let's see how this works. I'll be using it. You guys, you can use multi-collagen protein in pretty much anything. And today I just used it in my favorite flavored water. I don't know about you, but I definitely can use this, and it's so healthy for you. I don't love taking vitamins, but I added it to my favorite soda water. You just gotta mix it really good. I mean, you're just hydrating and you're getting in all the essential things that you need. Thank you, Ancient Nutrition. I'll be using this every day, for sure. Bye, guys. Have a great day.